Hello friends, I am really very excited to share this lecture with you. Yes friend, because this is where you are going to learn some really cool stuff. One thing which we have learned in our previous lecture, that is the transform effect, and this one is also really cool. Here we will learn a really cool effect, that is pucker and bloat, which you will find again under effect menu, distort and transform, and here is the one, pucker and bloat. Now what is this pucker and bloat? Let's not cover any theory, we will do practical example. Yes friend, so let's click on this ellipse tool. Let's create a circle just like this, and remember, while creating a circle, just click and drag, and while dragging, hold the shift key. That's it. Now let's go to effect, distort and transform, and let's click on pucker and bloat. Now let's hit preview. Well, you will see this window popping up where it is showing a slider. At both the ends it is written pucker. Pucker is written at the left hand and bloat is written at the right hand. So let's check the preview option and let's play around with it and see. You are creating a flower, isn't it? Now, and see. See? That's really cool, right? So you can create flower using this. Now let me show you one really cool trick. So yep, let's make it say around 95%. Now let's click on OK. Now again, if you try to select each leaf, you can't. For that you need to go to object, expand appearance. Remember friend, whenever you are applying any transform effect or any kind of effect, in maximum cases it is necessary to expand that object. Okay, so you need to go to object, expand appearance, but before that make sure that you have selected an object which you want to expand. Okay, so we have selected this one. Now we have already applied pucker and bloat. Now we will apply another thing that we have learnt in our previous lecture, that is the transform effect. Now I think you are probably guessing, right, that what we are going to do. So let's check the preview option. Let's make few more copies first. Let's say 5 more copies. And now let's increase the angle and see. OMG. Let's click on OK. Again go to object, expand appearance. So what is this? Is it a flower? Yep, it is. So using pucker and bloat, again let's create a rectangle this time. Yep, just experiment, there's no harm, right? They will not ask you any kind of money, right? They are always free, so just feel free to experiment. Hit pucker and bloat and see, even this is also helping you creating flower. And see, using this you can create some kind of splatter effect, right? Or some really cool leaf. Okay, so that's it guys, this is what pucker and bloat is, and using pucker and bloat and transform you can create really cool stuffs or really cool shapes. And let me tell you in advance, I think you have probably guessed, right, that using multiple effects you can achieve really awesome results. Yeah, that we are going to see. We have already started seeing those, right? So there's nothing hidden now. Okay, friends, so here I'm concluding this lecture. Try practicing more, explore more, try to do all of these yourself, and you will learn really, really cool thing. And you will learn much better. Okay, friend. So in our next lecture, we will explore another effect. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.